Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video again. Today I would like to introduce you the Welding Mag Check NDT. It is also called the Magnetic Particle Inspection (MPI). It's used for detecting surface and shallow subsurface defects in ferromagnetic materials, which you can find in mild steel, cobalt and other low alloy steels. This new product, the Welding Mag Check series, acts very fast and performs with high accuracy. So now I'm spraying the piece of metal with the white contrast spray. The white contrast spray, as you all know, have to wait for some time for it to dry. First, you need to clean the metal surface first with a cleaner, and then to wipe it off with a cloth. The second step is to apply the white contrast spray, and a white layer will form. For the third step, you need to apply the magnetic field to test the area, which is also called the magnetic yoke, which is required for the next step. But I won't show you in this step because I don't have the proper equipment right now. But I'm just going to show you the direction of how to use the Welding Mag Check. So for the fourth step, I've already applied the black magnetic spray, which is also called the black magnetic ink, onto the test area. And the surface will form some sort of deformity on the outer layer. This is the proper way to check the Welding Mag Check NDT. But some of them, they also do it in the lab to check the crack area using the ultra light. So thanks for watching my video. I hope all of you can subscribe to my channel, YouTube, Facebook, and for those who are interested to find out more, you can always visit us or call us for further inquiries.